Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Now in this episode I'm going to be showing you how to remove a background in an image or a picture in Microsoft PowerPoint. Now without taking much of your time, let's dive in.
To remove a background from an image in your presentation in Microsoft PowerPoint, first thing is to come to your own ribbon, your home ribbon. Then you go to insert, you click on pictures. Underneath you see this device with stock images and online pictures. Obviously we know what that means. This device means if you want to get pictures from your folder or your gallery, stock image. This one is ones they already have here in the app. Let's get from here. Okay, let's see. For the purpose of this video, I'll be making use of this. Okay, now to remove the background, like if I want to remove this and just leave this here, I can come here and click on remove background. As you can see, and I can use this to mark the areas that I want to keep. Let's see. And then use this to remove the background that was not there. And then click on keep changes. As you can see, easy peasy, very easy. You can do the same for every other images that you have.
And there you have it. Easy, right? To enjoy more tips like this, kindly like, share and subscribe. And yes, we'll be hosting a free course on Microsoft Office Suite. The link will be in the description. See you in the next video next time. Bye.